Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to hide contents in the Passcode Lock feature of Telegram. If you value your privacy and want to prevent others from seeing your message previews, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. Locate and tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and scroll down to find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to access the settings related to your account's privacy. Step 4. Within the settings, find and tap on Passcode Lock. Type in your passcode to access the Passcode Lock settings. Step 5. Once you are in the Passcode Lock settings, locate the option Show Content and disable it. By disabling this option, you prevent message previews from being displayed when your device is locked. By following these simple steps, you can hide the contents of your messages in the Passcode Lock feature of Telegram, ensuring your privacy and preventing others from viewing message previews. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the enhanced privacy and security of hiding contents in the Passcode Lock feature of Telegram.